Hello, it's Mac Norris, and in today's video, I'll be going over my eBay and Poshmark sales from the past 7 days. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe and hit the like button because I'll be dropping videos like this quite often. Without further ado, let's get right into it. The first sale on the 29th, I sold a men's black Carhartt puffer jacket for $55 and the buyer paid shipping, and I bought this item for $6.99 from Goodwill. On the same day, I sold a pair of Adidas Simba hemp shoes for $70 and the buyer paid shipping, and I got these shoes for $5.99. On the same day, I sold a pair of Camper men's Beetle Suede gray shoes for $45 and the buyer paid shipping, and I got these shoes for $5.99. And this item was shipped through the global shipping program, so this buyer is from out of the country. On the 31st, I sold a pair of vintage 90s black Tommy jeans, and the buyer paid $20 plus shipping, and I get my jeans all for $8, so not a lot of profit, but still a good sale. On January 1st, I sold a vintage Glaceret single stitch t-shirt for $20, and I offered free shipping, and shipping was around $5 to ship this shirt out, but I got the shirt for $3, so it's still good profit there. And on the same day, January 1st, I sold a Adidas men's track jacket for $24.69, and I offered free shipping, and I got this jacket for $6, so it wasn't a lot of profit, but it sold really fast, so that wasn't too bad of a flip. And this item was something just random. I was just going through the hard goods area and stuff, and I found this box of new vintage from 1978 Garfield Valentine's cards, and I couldn't find anything exactly like it, so I listed it for $34.99 or best offer, and someone offered me $16 free shipping, and I bought it for less than $1, so anything the person would have offered me would have been pure, not pure profit, but basically pure profit. So, and that one sold on the 3rd. The next item that sold on the 3rd as well was a pair of RLX Ralph Lauren men's jogger pants, and these sold for $39 free shipping, so I paid around $8 in for the item and spent around $8 to ship it out, so deduct that from the $39. And on the 5th, I sold a carbon to cobalt flannel shirt, and I sold this for $31 free shipping, and usually for my button down shirts, they're always $5.99 at Goodwill, so I bought this for $6, and it was a really quick flip, so not a ton of profit, but when it's really fast flips like that, I like doing that. I like buying that because I know I'm gonna get my money back really soon. And on January 5th as well, I sold a random Hawaiian Big Dogs shirt for $14.99 plus $3 shipping. So I bought it for $6. I had this for a, a long time, so I was just happy to get rid of it. So I'm already made like $2 or $3 profit, but just happy to get rid of it. And this was a really good sale. I sold a pair of Fry Louis Vuitton men's black slip-on shoes, and these shoes sold for $70 and $70 plus shipping. And I bought those for like $10. I spent a little bit more for these because they were so nice, and Fry is a good brand to look out for. And on the 5th as well, I sold a Brooks Brothers tie for $20 and the buyer pays shipping. And this last sale on the 5th as well sold for $20, and it was just a pair of skinny jeans. I sold those for $20 and the buyer pays shipping. So now on Poshmark, I had 3 sales on Poshmark in the last 7 days, and I sold a pair of Bonobo slim fit chino pants for $19, and I paid probably like $6.99, so $7 for these. So not a ton of profit, but you know, I don't have to pay for shipping on Poshmark, so that helps too. But this was a really good sale. I sold a Robert Graham paisley striped shirt for $40, and I paid $6 for this shirt, so it was good profit there. And my last sale in the last 7 days on Poshmark was a pair of red Converse All-Star Chuck Taylors low top for women, and these were in really, really nice condition. I barely had to clean them up, and those sold for $27, and I paid $6 for those. So good profit there. For the sales of on eBay, the total for the last 7 days were $431 in gross sales, and after the eBay fees and PayPal fees, that leaves me with a $374.97 sale profit or profit. And this is not including the buy cost of the products, but you can just rewind and see how much I paid to figure that out. And on Poshmark, I made $86 in sales, and after the Poshmark fees, that comes out to $65.20 profit. And altogether, that is $440.17 through eBay and Poshmark in the last 7 days. So, as I said, if you like videos like this, subscribe and like this video, because I'll be putting out more content like this. And see you next time.